Hi guys, welcome to another video series. This is the first video series that I am going to show you how to develop a Selenium framework, test automation framework, a basic test automation from scratch in .NET C#. So first of all, this is the first video session, so I'm going to tell you how to kickstart this. So you have to install Visual Studio to work on. So I have Visual Studio 2015, you can have 2017 also. So how do we get into this? Create a new project, which is basically a class library project, and give a name, Selenium framework, and click OK. So it will create a new project, class library project. We have an empty project here. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to install the NuGet packages. So go to NuGet package manager, manage NuGet packages, and first we are using NUnit like TestNG in Java. So let's browse and install NUnit 3. Install latest one. Okay. Next is NUnit console runner. We don't need NUnit runners. We need install. Okay. Next one is NUnit 3 adapter. Let's install that one. Okay. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to install Selenium. So we need Selenium to execute. Selenium WebDriver. Install the latest one. Selenium Chrome driver, install. Then Selenium support, the latest one, install it. Okay, so once installed, we are done with it. So what we are going to do is we have to create a new class library. Right, so what I'm going to do is, this is my class name, so I may have to rename this later, but let's start doing it. So we might not use system, so we might have to use using openqa.selenium. That's the main one that we had to use, Selenium. And again we have to use the library using openqa.selenium .chrome driver. So we are using Chrome. Then we are using, next one is using openqa.selenium support. We might have to use support if we are using select drop downs. So let's keep that for a moment. Using NUnit framework. So we'll have that one. So next is I'm gonna build my test case. So we had to enclose it with test. We have to denote that it's a NUnit test, like the annotation in TestNG. Then we say public. So I'm creating my method void test1 and within brackets. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to instantiate a driver. So it is interface web driver. So I will say driver equals new Chrome driver. Then what we have to do is driver, we will navigate, go to URL, we get go to URL, and let's keep the URL as the demo site of Guru 99. Here we are, done. Okay, driver, we'll give new Chrome driver, then we'll do a driver dot close, then driver dot quit. So we are done with the test case. So let's run this test case. So it's discovering the test cases. So we have a test case. So first of all, let's build this solution. And it runs the test case. So it goes to Guru 99 demo, and there we are, and it closes the browser and quits. So simple kickoff of Selenium, how we can start building our test automation framework. So if you want to add login here, you have to do is driver dot find element, then you have to say by dot name, I'll give the name, and dot send keys. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the login, send keys. So login should come. I will go here, do the inspect, and you can see name equals UID. So I'll put name equals UID, and I have to get my login. So I will go to visit here, just enter a bogus email address, submit, and I will take this information to a notepad, and I have to type in this one. So let's do that. Send keys, then again driver dot find element by dot name. So I will have to have the same thing, dot send keys. So in here also I have to give the password. So this is how you do very easily do .NET Selenium scripting. Inspect, password. So I have to give the password here, right, send keys, give the username and password. There we go. This should be enclosed within double quotes. Then we'll go to driver dot find element. We check the login button. So login is name btn text, so it's a name. So find elements by dot name dot click, and we click on it. So let's run this and see again. Run the test, should log in. So you can see it will type the username and password. There you go. So it simply logs in. So this is how you perform the first session on how to kickstart .NET C# based Selenium scripting and creating a framework from scratch. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please put a like in the LinkedIn post. Thanks guys.